What's up, guys? It's Jose. I was thinking it'll be fun unboxing this PDR kit. I think it's called Super PDR. This is from eBay. This is, I believe it's the 110 piece. Cost me about $1.60. Let's unbox it and see what's in there. Here's the bag. It's a little bag. It's the C right there. Okay, there's that. As you guys can see, it's plastic. Here's the. It looks like a swivel mount. Look at that. It's crazy. That's nice, that switch. These are the chains for the body hammer right here. Oh, it came off. So you connect this right here. I like the fact that it comes apart, so it's really mobile, so you can throw it in this bag. And it says right here, Super PDR. So then you just connect your little tabs right here. The dent you're trying to pull. I like this, this is nice. It feels somewhat cheap and it's really light, so I'm pretty sure it's for small dents, nothing big. This is nice. Here's the other mini puller right here. You guys can see it has, you can pull those plastic tabs. Just PDR on it. You know, this is different mount options. Oh, these are magnet, that's cool. Oh, never mind, they're rubber. This appears to be a suction cup. So you can, I'm assuming it's for the lights. You could be able to mount a light or something on the car. There's another dent puller. It says Super PDR on it. There's the main dent puller right here. That's cool. It says Super PDR on it, and it has different pinpoints to, depending on your sheet metal that you're working on, wherever you want to relieve this pressure. You just screw it on here and hammer away. This one's like a half a pound. And it has a little, this one's a hard, it looks like a polyester, really hard. So is this one. They're nice though, it's really nice. It feels cheap too, so let's see how much abuse it can take. Because now you have some kind of mixing thing. I'm assuming for the glue to peel it off. I'm assuming this is for alcohol, so whenever you want to remove the glue, put some alcohol so the glue come off your panel. There's some plastic tabs, some little different angles, points, depending on what crease you're trying to pull out. That's cool, I like this tool. There's another manual puller. I wonder, so you just glue on your little tab and then you pull it from this if you have to, or unless you're working on a panel and you're hammering over here just to pull it. For the swivel mount, so you just throw it in here. Yep. And you suction cup on that. It's not flexible, so. On how to do your things. Microfiber cloth. It's really thin though. And there's some bigger plastic tips is even bigger, depending on the thing you're trying to pull. Some plastic, some blue ones, different sizes. There's that. There's some black ones. These are rectangles, squares, and round. That's pretty cool. And some more. There's some triangle ones. Maybe if you're trying to get a corner or something. That's cool. Some more of these. I'm assuming this is for depending on how big the panel you're working with. And there's a little screwdriver and some screws. I don't know what for, but we'll find out. There's that. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 glue sticks. Bubble wrap. These look nice. Check it out, guys. That one looks like 12 inches. This one looks like 8 inches. This one is 14 inches. Like another 12 inches, but it's like at a different angle. It was about 18 inches or 20 inches. And this one's a lot thicker than the rest of them. Not bad though. These blue ones are a little bit thicker. I don't know if you guys can see, but they feel good. The grip feels good. Feels like you apply some pressure. There's this one. These, I would say they're like a third of an inch. Like a third of an inch thick. This blue one. This one's thinner. And look at the angle it has. It has a round tip too. Well, here's the last one. This one's about 20 inches, yeah, and it has like a little ball on the tip. So you guys can see. Guys, but overall, it seems, other than some of this stuff here, it feels, these rods feel pretty good. So far, I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna start putting everything in the bag. Nice little sections in here. So I'm gonna put everything in here. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have it, have used it. This was like a little reflection device. Let me know what you guys think. If you have it, if you guys want to buy it, I will leave the link down below. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to buy it, I'll leave the link below. If you guys have used any of these, let me know what you guys think. So far, I'm pretty happy with it. I gotta put it to the test and see what happens. Alright guys, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys for the next video.